War Day number 896. 896 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, August the 7th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and a binary. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus we have here. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. First one is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number. Let me see. Number 90. Yeah. 9043. Yeah, 9043. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 28 printed digits. 28. This cannot be a 4 stars. This should be a 0 stars. Yeah. 0 stars puzzle. Yeah. Okay. I need to check if this is correct. 9403. No, it's 9403. Okay. And told you this one has 28 printed digits. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. It's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is it 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, there are only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between only 3 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the last row, no 6 there. The only place left. The 6 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left. The 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Shoot me down. Then let me see. 8. Need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3. Need a 1 here. Come on. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. So we need a 9 there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left 8 should be there. So 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. Alright. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place level 6 should be there. So the other two should be the 4 and the 9. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there, 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. Then let me see. Let me see. 6. With all the 6s. Nope. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. Then, how about the 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9. No 9 here. 9. Need a 9 here or there. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 should be in one of these 3 boxes. 9 in one of these 3 boxes in this row. 9 in the last rows in the row between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1 is missing, the 2, 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for number 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4 cannot fill this yet. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 2 and 3, we have 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes, and then 3 in this column, 3 in the column next to the last column, and the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4, 9. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7 in this column, 7 in the column next to the last column. The only place level 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place level 7 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes down. Then let me see. 2 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left on 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only place left for the 4, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Here we have a pair. Here also 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 and 8, we have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 11 minutes, well, told you, should be a 0 stars, not the 3 stars, not the 2, not the 1. We solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.